Northern Vietnam, a place I've wanted to explore for some time. I'm just a traveller exploring, and this is my journey. Okay, so it's still raining here, but we've decided that we're going to head off anyway. We've decided to leave in the rain. Good idea, bad idea, I don't know. Come on! Thank you very much! So this morning while I was having coffee, I saw a bunch of motorbike tours, like a tour that was leaving, and I thought, okay, they've got locals guiding them. If they're leaving, then it must be alright to leave. Advice from our lady from our homestay was, could be landslides. If there is, don't go. Well, yeah, we'll take that advice. If we see landslides, look, we'll just turn around and come back. But gee whiz, that river is really swollen this morning. I mean, I do have like 2 layers of waterproofs on, so I'd like to think that I'm going to reach our destination dry. The road leaving Barbie Lake winds through these beautiful mountains, even in the rain. But the further I rode, the more the road conditions changed and things started to shift.
Bad luck. Doesn't matter. Keep coming. I think it's this way.
So I know I said we would turn back if we came across landslides. By that I meant complete roadblocks and no way through. I guess I was also justifying to myself leaving despite being warned not to by our homestay hosts. Their concerning looks did have me question if I was crazy. I'm sure they thought so.
Alright, now we wait.
After a few short minutes of waiting, some locals have cleared a small gap. Enough for bikes to fit through, and they're helping each other pass. These people are amazing.
Come on. Whew, that's how they do it here.
No way to know what lays ahead, but what I do believe is that there will always be someone to help you out if you get stuck.
So because I've got a crappy old iPhone, can't get wet, there's no cover for it. So I can't have my GPS on. Just got to kind of remember, 10 kilometres, turn right. Something I realised before, I was coming down a bit of a hill and I went to apply the brakes and I just started skidding. So I guess the roads, these tyres on the bikes, they're not so good in the wet.
My feeling is that we will make it to Bauruch today, and the roads will be passable in some form. At this point, there is no going back, only forward. You have to just keep going.
The rain doesn't stop the locals from getting out in it, so we need to toughen up.